I have the dimmer feature turned off on this remote since the bulbs in there aren't dimmable, so I'm not going to be showing that. Also, it's running on reverse because it's still kind of wintertime. There's really no point of doing that. I should have switched the direction, but I don't feel like taking the globe off. You can kind of feel a bit from right here. This is a 2024 remake of this fan. And just to prove you that I have it turned off. See, it doesn't do anything. Because there's a switch right there. Focus. Focus. Please and thank you. That switch right there. Oh yeah, there we go. So CFL, it's labeled that, and D is for dimmer. I guess CFL is because most CFLs aren't dimmable. Here's medium. I guess it's turned into a commentary. But whatever. This has been installed here for 3 years now, and it's going strong. Even for a made in China thing from Lowe's. Well, this thing was $250, so. You can see it wobbling a bit. But I kind of like, when I was cleaning it, I just wanted to see if it just shakes, but it's secure. I put pressure on the top of the, kind of stupid. I put pressure on top of the motor housing and like push down to see if it moved or anything. But no, it just wobbles a bit. I did have a paper clip on the end of the fan blade, but I guess somebody took it off. Guess one of my parents noticed, because I don't think this thing didn't come with a balancing kit. Here's high. I forgot to show the light for medium. There we go. This thing's kind of noisy. You can actually, even with it flush mounted, and you can feel it. I'll try not to get my face smacked by the blades. You can feel some air. Like it's blowing a good amount. I can feel it pretty good. Let's point dust down. There it is with the light. Oh my god. Put this back. Yes, the remote holder is held up with tape because I didn't want to screw it to the wall. And it's kind of crooked because I didn't put the bracket straight, but whatever. It's fine. I probably could have gotten away with having the down rod on it because it's a 4-inch down rod that comes with it, so it probably would have gone to there. And even, I just worried that it wouldn't hit my head because me and my stepdad, well, I'm taller than my stepdad, but if it came to there, it probably would have been fine, so I probably could have gotten away with it being not putting on the down rod. I still have the down rod, but I don't feel like taking this whole thing down. Just to put the down rod on. Funny enough, in the manual it says not to do the close mount, flush mount, and I still did it anyway because no, my instruction manual is going to tell me what not to do. I mean, why would you tell it not to do it when there's screws to flush mount it on the, as you can tell. I don't know, anyway. Look, you want proof? I'll grab I'll go find the manual. It's somewhere. Keep an eye on the fan. It's just in here. Under all the junk. There it is. Yeah, see? August 4th, 2021. It says for not to flush mount it. Yeah, right here. Close mount style is not available. Flush mount. Close mount. That's close mount. What? I did it anyway. Screw you, Harbor Breeze. I'm not listening to your manuals. Okay, actually, I'm gonna keep that. And we're coming to a stop here. Maybe. Oh wow, it's dusty. I don't understand how fans can get dusty while they're running. Like, I could understand a fan getting dusty if it hasn't run for a while. But these run constantly. Well, not this one. This one doesn't run through the night because it's it being on with the kitchen, that. But this one does. And it's... That's off, I think. It's dusty. Well, this one isn't as bad. This one doesn't get as bad as the one in the kitchen. Just do a video remake of that one too. Anyway, here's a 2024 remake video that was supposed to be a non-commentary, but I ended up talking anyway because why not? Anyway, bye bye.